From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Maggie LeBeau. A national healthcare scorecard says Missouri doctors may be prescribing too much antipsychotic medication. As KBIA's Rebecca Smith reports, the practice is particularly prevalent among older Missourians.
Missouri was among the worst states in the country in the number of long-stay nursing home residents on antipsychotic medications. Kristen Kolb is a research associate with the Commonwealth Fund and says this measure is tracked to ensure the proper usage of the medication.
So like any other medication, we need to make sure things are being tailored appropriate to the patient and not being used as a substitute for other challenges such as behavior management in the nursing home setting.
More than 1 in 5 Missouri long-term nursing home residents on Medicare were found to be on these medications. It's about 1 in 7 nationally. I'm Rebecca Smith, KBIA News.
And Missouri State Board of Education is considering rolling back the number of course hours required to be certified as a special education or high school science teacher. Only a third of first-year special education teachers have completed a comprehensive preparation program. There's also a declining number of teacher candidates who have completed a secondary science program. Paul Katnick of the Office of Educator Quality told the board Tuesday that recruiting more qualified teachers is a balancing act.
We have to make sure that we are providing high-quality candidates to be teachers, while at the same time removing as many unnecessary obstacles as we can.
Teacher candidates will still be required to pass the certification assessment for their subject area. And in other news, the Missouri Department of Conservation has added 12 new counties to its list of those requiring hunters to bring in their deer to test for chronic wasting disease, or CWD. CWD kills the deer after misfolded proteins in the brain cause the deer to stop eating. It spreads primarily by contact, so early identification of cases is crucial. Mandatory testing is meant to catch the first CWD cases in a county or in the surrounding 10 miles. Jason Isabel is the MDC's science program coordinator. He says opening weekend sampling is important to prevent the spread.
But it allows us to collect typically about 20,000 samples in a 2-day period to get a better understanding of where CWD exists on our landscape.
Opening weekend hunters must take their deer to a sampling station in their county. Mid-Missouri counties added to the list this year include Montauk, Morgan, Miller, and Callaway. And Burrell Behavioral Health has broken ground on a new behavioral health crisis center in Columbia. KOMU 8 reports it aims to provide more access to 24/7 year-round crisis care. Burrell has an existing center in Columbia. The new one will be 3 times larger. The centers provide services including teams specializing in mental health and substance use-related crises. Any adult can receive care regardless of insurance or ability to pay. I'm Maggie LeBeau, KBIA News, Columbia.